The 2003 Impala. The Impala has been one of America's favorites for over 50 years. Enough said. And is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, FWD, power windows, power door locks, passenger airbag, intermittent wipers, daytime running lights, front reading lamps, cloth seats, remote trunk release, driver vanity mirror, emergency trunk release, passenger vanity mirror, engine immobilizer. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.